Hi folks and welcome for today's video. I felt like spilling some paint again, and this is going to be just a simple open cup pour. So this is the open cup that I'm going to use for it. I have picked three colors. I want to have it simple today. This is just some white, some black and my gold that I'm using. I've just readily mixed them. It's my usual mixture, added some PVA glue this time. I hope to not get so many cells from this because I just don't want cells actually this time. And the goal is having something marble looking again. This is a rather big one. It is 60 by 60 centimeters, so it's a zoomed out video. Other than that, it is pretty much straightforward. I'm going to play some music, let you watch it, and we will see how the final result is going to turn out. The canvas itself, in case you wonder, is a reused one. We were having hanging this one in our kitchen for years, but now we started redecorating a bit, and therefore I just painted some gesso over it because it was a canvas print, so no idea if the color that it's printed with can withstand the acrylics put onto this, so a gesso layer is a good decision, I guess. Yeah, other than that, we will see. Enjoy and see you later. And here we go with the final result. So everything is dried and everything dried really pretty. So the colors just did what I hope that they do. I actually hope that some parts of the gold are a bit brighter, especially in the bright section towards the lower third of the painting, but it is what it is. I made some corrections to a couple of parts of the painting, so especially in the black area where some of the white dots were coming through, and some in the golden area I just covered them to not stand out that much, but I really like how this one is looking when it's dry. I can see a variety of things. It looks like an kind of ocean transition zone from the beach towards a really dark water filmed from high above the sky. I have some rivers going through mountains. I have some whatsoever you can see in it. I'm really happy about this turnout. Unfortunately, we do not expect to have any sunny days the next day, so I couldn't really film it outside in the sunlight. So this is in my studio under artificial light, so the gold is not as shiny as it can be. But for those of you who have seen my other videos where I filmed the end result in the sunlight, you can probably imagine how cool it would look having seen this in sun as well. So perhaps I can make a photo or so in one of my upcoming videos, just when the sun is out again. We will see. In the very end, I just covered it with a layer of varnish, and I used the Deco Art top coat for this because this is the one varnish that I just fell in love to. I'm not sponsored by them, but I wish to. So actually I have to use the rest amount of my varnish that I have left in the bottle. I hope it is enough. It is a tough calculation, so it might be just enough to cover everything. I usually use a bit more of the varnish just to have a layer standing on the painting so that it can dry really even and it looks like a resin layer finish in the end. This is not going to happen this time. I have to spread it around as much as I can to have everything covered, and we will see if it's just enough to do this. So if you have not tried out the top coat varnish yourself, I really recommend this. I would love to have more of it, so I'm going to order some to restock my stock. Anyways, so here you can see I usually just put on some gloves and spread the varnish around the painting, let it dry, and everything is fine. So I don't use brushes most of times, just my fingers. It works pretty nice for me. Anyways, so I really hope you liked this video, found it entertaining, liked the music. If you liked it, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. Have a look at all my other videos. I have linked a couple of them in the video here as well, or you just have a look at my awesome results playlist. Materials and social media links are down below in the video description if you want to get in touch with me or kind of recreate this painting. If you like, have free rolls, have a look at my Etsy shop, which is also linked down below. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.